My name is Nick Lonizek. I am the facility manager and also known as the real estate and workspace manager for Intrinsic AI, which is an Alphabet company located in the San Francisco Bay Area. In 2010, got my first official facility management role with a company called Stag Lodge in Deer Valley, located in Park City, Utah. I really loved that experience, and I wanted to continue my professional development and had the opportunity to work for a much larger family of resorts called Montage. The Montage Deer Valley was a 1 million square foot building. It was the opening of a new hotel. It was a mixed-use development, so half was a hotel and then the other half was private residences. And I had the fortune to work on the residential side of things and opening that aspect and selling everything from preventative maintenance programs to homeowners to managing their construction projects. I care about people, I care about my team, I care about the owners and the people that I'm involved with. And then on the facility side, I really enjoy protecting the assets, making sure that we're fulfilling our needs as facility managers and as a team to do our best to prevent anything from happening. Some of my favorite key moments throughout my career have been seeing team members go from the line level positions all the way up to leadership roles. And then from the facility standpoint, it's been a lot of fun working with luxury hotels from rebranding to opening of new hotels and everywhere in between. You have to have a hunger for knowledge and know that there's always a better way to do something. So looking at it through a different lens and understanding that if someone can show you a better way to do it, you should adopt that. I think knowledge sharing is probably the most important thing, and it's something that not everybody does enough of. I've come to understand that the more I share, the better the team does. Any issue that you have, while it may be slightly different, there's a very high probability that I've experienced that same issue and probably some additional ones and figured out how to overcome those challenges. So whether it's a technical aspect or a soft skill, I will help you get through it and you can accomplish greater things than I even can.